If you're seeing this message here when you try to access your website, sometimes your website can get stuck in maintenance mode. Really easy to fix. All we need to do is access the file manager of our website. So I use Hostinger, so this gives me access to their own control panel, which is the H panel. So for me, it's clicking file manager. A lot of other hosts though will give you access to a C panel, and it's just the same. You'll just want to search for file manager within the C panel, and then you'll be able to access your files, which are usually stored in your public HTML. So if we come into public HTML, and you should see this .maintenance file, we just want to delete that. Okay, so I've deleted it. Let's go back to the website and refresh. And now I can access my website again. So I hope that helped. If that didn't help, please leave a comment and I'll do my best to solve your problem. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.